Man's out here from GrainKing, standing here with Shane.
Shane Ising, we're 50 k's west of Condamine. Yeah. We're doing sorghum, chickpeas, wheat, barley. Yeah, that's about it.
And with your crops, would sorghum be summer crop? Is it half your harvest or to be picked?
Probably about a third, usually. Something like that, yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, and it's been for the years, but pretty good.
What about GrainKing Nyrex bins?
Yep.
Basically just, what are your thoughts? What do you like about it? Don't you like about it?
Yeah, got no complaints so far. It's been a really good bin. So, yeah, with the wheat harvest and that.
So let me, have you found the suspension is scaring? Because that's
really good. I do like that. Yeah, it just floats across the paddock. Doesn't, no bouncing around. It's just really smooth. Can turn. That's, you don't, not scrubbing wheels out. It's just, and over, like on 4 metres, but over the contour banks and stuff, it's really stable.
Yeah, we were watching you just then in the camera, and you can see it because you've got some sort of undulations at the end of the run. Yeah, it looks smooth. I mean, probably compared to
what you used to do. Yeah, no, that's it. It's a very, really like it. So
that's good. Big auger, fast,
very quick unloading. Even when it was on hydraulics,
yeah,
unload, it was still quick then. So yeah, like it was really good.
And you switched it back over to standard.
Switched it now over to PG.
You on that all right?
Yeah.
Got through it okay?
Yeah, it's very simple. Yeah, it's simple to swap over, but yeah, just a tractor we had didn't have BDO. So we're running it on both hydraulics, and still probably 5 minutes to unload 30 tons.
Yeah, on hydraulics.
On hydraulics, so I was still pretty happy with that. So
me and Demo did the swap over on the back of a truck into a fairly late notice. So
yeah.
No, that's awesome.
No worries. Thank you
very much.
You too.